How is your day going so far? What brings you here today? Have you been to this place before? How do you know the host or organizer? What is the highlight of your week so far? Are you having a good time? How was your journey getting here? What is your favorite thing about this city? Do you live nearby or did you travel far? What is one thing you've learned today? What do you do for a living? How did you get started in your career? What is the most interesting part of your job? Do you work from home or in an office? What did you want to be when you were a kid? What's a typical day like at your work? What's your favorite thing about your workplace? Are you working on any exciting projects right now? What is your dream job if money didn't matter? Do you prefer morning shifts or night shifts? What do you like to do in your free time? Do you have any favorite hobbies? Are you a fan of any sports? Do you like to cook or do you prefer eating out? What is your favorite type of music? Have you seen any good movies lately? Do you like to read books or watch TV shows? What's the last book you read? Are you a morning person or a night owl? Do you like gaming or board games? Do you enjoy outdoor activities like hiking? What is your favorite way to relax? Do you have any hidden talents? Are you into photography or art? Do you like to dance? Do you like to travel? What is the best place you've ever visited? Where is your dream vacation destination? Do you prefer the beach or the mountains? Are you a fan of spicy food? What is your favorite cuisine? Do you like trying new street foods? What is the best meal you've ever had? Do you prefer coffee or tea? Are you a fan of desserts or savory snacks? What's your favorite restaurant in town? Do you like long road trips? Have you ever traveled solo? What's the next place on your travel list? Do you like big cities or quiet villages? If you could have any superpower, what would it be? If you could meet any famous person, who would it be? Would you rather travel to the past or the future? If you won the lottery tomorrow, what would you buy first? What's your favorite movie character? If you could eat only one food for the rest of your life, what would it be? Are you a fan of superheroes? If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be? Would you rather be able to fly or be invisible? What's the funniest thing that's happened to you lately? If you were an animal, which one would you be? Do you believe in luck? What's your favorite holiday? If you could learn any language instantly, which would it be? Do you like surprises? What's your favorite app on your phone? Do you listen to any podcasts? Are you a fan of social media? What was the last concert you went to? Do you prefer Android or iPhone? Do you like watching YouTube or Netflix? What's your favorite video game? Do you like smartwatches? Are you into the latest gadgets? What's a song you can't stop listening to? What are you most proud of? What's a goal you're working toward? Do you prefer talking or listening? What is the most beautiful thing you've seen? Do you like to plan things or be spontaneous? What's your favorite way to start the morning? Do you like to keep busy or take it easy? What's one thing you want to learn this year? What's the best gift you've ever given someone? If you could change one thing about the world, what would it be? Where did you grow up? Do you have any siblings? Are you a pet person? Do you have a dog or a cat? What was your favorite subject in school? Who is the most influential person in your life? What's the best piece of advice you've ever received? Do you consider yourself an introvert or an extrovert? What's your favorite childhood memory? Do you collect anything? What is your favorite season of the year? Are you a fan of birthdays and celebrations? What is your biggest pet peeve? Do you like rainy weather or sunny days? What's one thing you can't live without? What is your favorite place to visit on the weekends? Do you like to go to the beach or stay in the city? Have you ever been on a plane? What is the most beautiful park you have ever seen? Do you prefer traveling by train or by car? What is your favorite thing to pack in your bag? Would you like to visit a snowy country? Do you like staying in hotels or camping outside? What is the best souvenir you have ever bought? Have you ever seen a famous monument? Do you like to take photos when you travel? Would you rather visit a jungle or a desert? What is the longest trip you have ever taken? Do you prefer hot weather or cold weather for holidays? Have you ever been to a festival in another city? What is your favorite fruit to eat in the summer? Do you like to drink juice or milk? What is the best thing you can cook? Do you prefer homemade food or fast food? What is your favorite kind of bread? Do you like to eat breakfast early or late? What is the best vegetable for a healthy meal? Do you like chocolate or vanilla more? What is your favorite pizza topping? Have you ever tried making a cake at home? Do you like to eat with your friends or family? What is your favorite drink on a hot day? Do you like spicy food or sweet food? What is the most unusual food you have ever tried? Do you prefer eating at a table or on the sofa? What time do you usually wake up? Do you like to listen to music while working? What is the first thing you do in the morning? Do you prefer to shower in the morning or at night? What color is your favorite shirt? Do you like to go for a walk in the evening? How do you usually get to work or school? Do you like to keep your room very tidy? What is your favorite day of the week? Do you spend a lot of time on your phone? Do you like to exercise in the gym or outside? What is your favorite way to spend a Sunday? Do you prefer to write with a pen or type on a computer? How many hours of sleep do you need to feel good? Do you like to look at the stars at night? What was the last movie that made you laugh? Do you like to watch cartoons? Who is your favorite singer right now? Do you enjoy going to the cinema or watching at home? What is your favorite board game to play? Do you like to draw or paint pictures? What is your favorite YouTube channel? Do you like to go to the park and have a picnic? Have you ever been to a zoo? What is your favorite animal to see at the zoo? Do you like to sing in the shower? What is your favorite fairy tale story? Do you like to go to the mall for shopping? What is the most fun thing to do on a rainy day? Do you like to play cards? Do you like the smell of rain? What is your favorite flower? Do you like to climb trees? Do you prefer seeing the sunrise or the sunset? Do you like to swim in a pool or the sea? What is your favorite season for fashion? Do you like to see the leaves change color in autumn? Have you ever seen a rainbow? Do you like to go for a hike in the forest? What is your favorite bird? Do you like to garden or plant flowers? Do you prefer a windy day or a calm day? Have you ever seen a waterfall? Do you like to sit by a fire in the winter? What is the best thing about spring? What was your favorite subject in primary school? Do you like learning new languages? Who was your favorite teacher when you were young? Do you prefer maths or history? Do you like to study in a library? What is a skill you would like to master? Do you like to read newspapers or magazines? Was your school big or small? Do you like to work in a group or alone? What is the most interesting thing you learned this week? Do you like to wear a watch? What is your favorite color for a car? Do you prefer a big house or a small apartment? Do you like to carry a backpack or a small bag? What is your favorite type of shoes? Do you like to wear hats? Are you good at remembering names? Do you like to take naps in the afternoon? What is your favorite smell in the kitchen? Do you prefer to be early or just on time?